Hello and welcome to Motion Time. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do this trendy text in Apple Motion. So let's start. First, let's delete everything. Then my project settings, this one. Oh, sorry. My project settings. Okay, let's make a group. On this group, let's add one character. Okay, then change the font. Increase the font size. Maybe. Okay, next, let's change the appearance. Check the outline also. I will use black. Change the font color. Okay, then adjust the width of our outline. So I just press Shift T to have a transparent background. Shift C to make it like this again. Shift T. Okay, next step is we need to add some keyframes. I will add a keyframe on the Y position. Next step is adjust the handles. If your handles is not like this, what you need to do is Control A on your keyboard, then right click on one of the points, then change the interpolation to Bezier. Next step is let's adjust the handles. Okay, after that, on this side, click this arrow, then after last keyframe, ping pong. You will see that Motion created animations for us already. Then, next step, let's duplicate this text, this character, and adjust the position, change the character, change the pace, and repeat the same process again. Duplicate, adjust X position, change the character, change the color. Okay, I will speed it up and I will do the same steps. Okay, after that, let's offset each character on our timeline. After offsetting them, select the characters, then press I on your keyboard so that each layer of the character starts at the first frame. Just like this. However, if you want to have that popping effect, you can just Control Z on your keyboard so that you have this kind of effect. For me, I'd like to have it start. Okay, just like this. And then, I'm gonna duplicate this group and rename it to second layer. Then, I will put the second layer under the first layer. After that, adjust the X position. And change the color of each character. And then after that, I'm gonna offset the keyframes of each character. Next step is duplicate again the second layer and put that duplicated layer beneath the second layer. Let's rename this layer as third layer. Then change the colors of each character again. Also adjust the X position. Next step is duplicate again the third layer, put it behind the third layer, and let's rename this as the fourth layer. Same thing or same process again. Offset the X position. Change the color of each character and offset the keyframes. Okay. So now let's group all of these layers or groups. Let's group them. Then let's rename Trendy text. Okay, so we have now this Trendy text. Because it's quite bland, let's add some background. Let's go to library, then generators, then let's go to grid. Okay, let's apply grid. Okay, so drop down, then change the line width, change some settings here, adjust the BG width and BG height. Okay, then let's add some animation with the background. Let's adjust the offset, add some keyframes. Okay, let's adjust the position of this trendy text, maybe in the middle. Okay, so that's it. You have created the trendy text style animation in Apple Motion. So if you've liked this tutorial, thank you, and don't forget to leave some comments and suggestions, and I hope to see you again next time. Thanks.